This is Dutchess Community College. This is Mrs. Johnson, MAT 221, Calculus 1. This is a brief video about finding the derivative of logarithmic functions. The shortcut rule for the derivative of the natural log of x is a very simple one. It is equal to 1 over x. When I take the derivative of the natural log of x, the derivative is simply 1 over x. Now, to find the derivative of a common log, you could just use the change of base formula for logs from pre-calculus. Remember that the derivative of the log of x can be rewritten using the change of base formula to the natural log of x over the natural log of 10. Again, this rule comes from pre-calculus that log to the base 10 of x is equivalent to the log of x divided by the log of the base, which in this case is equal to 10. And remember, the natural log of 10 is just a number. So this is like taking 1 over a number called the natural log of 10 and taking it out as a constant using the constant multiple rule, and then taking the derivative of what's left, which is the natural log of x. Now, we just found the derivative of the natural log of x, which is 1 over x. So what I did here is I pulled out 1 over the natural log of 10 as a constant, and then took the derivative of the remaining function, which we just found was 1 over x. This is the derivative of a common log. It is equal to 1 over x times 1 over the natural log of 10. Now, the formula for the derivative of a log to any base other than e is simply 1 over x multiplied by the natural log of whatever base we have here. So if this is the base of 2, that would be the natural log of 2. If this is log of to the base 6, this would be 1 over x natural log of 6. Those are the shortcut rules for logarithmic functions.